Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Jags. Today we are preparing a high protein breakfast smoothie which is packed with nutrients, homemade and super easy to create. If you're bored of your regular breakfast, this is a must try smoothie and you can even give this to your kids as well. All you require to prepare this breakfast smoothie is half an apple, one banana, you can use in frozen banana as well, 2 tablespoons of oats, 5 to 6 dates, 4 tablespoons of nuts of your choice. I'm adding in pumpkin seeds, almonds and cashews. You can add in flax seeds, sunflower seeds as well. Adding in 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. If you don't like yogurt, you can add in 1.5 cup of milk. And you can add in any protein powder of your choice here. I'm not adding in any protein powder as of now. Adding in 1 cup of water for consistency. If you are adding in milk, do not add water. Now blend all these ingredients into a nice thick and creamy smoothie. And our high protein breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. This is a very simple breakfast recipe which saves your time by keeping your breakfast healthy. You can serve this breakfast smoothie as a snack or as a breakfast. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. See you on the other side. Bye bye.